Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to bring power off menu to the power button of your phone Moto G04. If you long press this power button, usually by default Google Assistant will open. Okay. If you would like to bring power off menu to this power button, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to settings of your phone here, then go to gestures, and here select press and hold power button, and by default it is set to digital assistant, and now click on power menu. Okay, now long press this power button, that is press and hold power button, you will have power off option. So in this way you can easily bring back power off menu to the power button of your phone Moto G04. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.